how's it going? Daniel here. So finally I received that new update that a lot of people were talking about, the new Instagram update that they released on their iOS app and Android app, where they did some big changes on the application. And I want to share with you guys, why did Instagram do this? But first off, of course, I want to give my thoughts on the new update design. So of course, there's a big change, of course, on the home screen of the Instagram app, and that is now where you can add the create button and the like button are no longer on the tab below, where it's a really prime location. It's now, of course, on the top right corner, the create and the like area right there. But so my thoughts are, of course, in the beginning, of course, when I was playing around with it for like a few hours now, is of course, like my memory has it always where when I click the create stuff, that means like to add a video. But now when I click that, instead it makes it go on to Reels, which of course sucks, of course, because I have not really used Reels or don't even consume Reels on Instagram. That's why I have TikTok. And so yeah. So of course, with this new update that Instagram released by moving the Reels into the create location, it pretty just means that Instagram really wants you to watch Reels on the app, which of course, they're trying to fight TikTok by launching Reels. That was their answer for it. And I guess, Instagram is stepping up their game and doubling down by doing this as well. So now, why did Instagram really do these big changes in their app? So pretty much this is, of course, all about money, of course, but also this gives an opportunity for creators and businesses to make a ton of money now. So pretty much Instagram just made it easy for creators and businesses to make a lot of money on Instagram. So, well, what do I mean by that? Well, first off, of course, so they moved the buy button and the Reels button, well, the buy button, of course, onto the like location in the bottom tab right there, which of course makes it really easy just to quickly click the shop area, and you could quickly buy stuff from your favorite followers, like from your favorite Instagram accounts. So if you follow maybe a boutique or something, or you follow your favorite creator and they're selling t-shirts or something, merch, you can quickly just buy it now from the Instagram app. Of course, it will take you to the page where you could quickly just use Facebook Pay, of course, to quickly buy stuff from your favorite business or your favorite brand as well. So this is actually such a smart move by Instagram that they did here, by moving these buy button onto a prom location, because for a ton of years Instagram did not do anything like that. Of course, they released the shop button, or the store, like a few years back, but it was always like nothing really like wasn't that important to them, I guess, at that time. But now I think it's the right time for them to do this, because they have a ton of users, of course, on the app. People already have this memorized, that when they click the like button is to go see the activities area. But now when they click that area, instead it takes them to the shop area instead. So this is of course, all about money, of course. So Instagram knows this, that people already are used to just clicking there to see their like post and everything. But instead of taking you to see how many likes you have in your post and everything, instead it will take you to the shop area, so you could go and buy something within the app from your favorite businesses or your favorite creators that you follow on Instagram. So yeah, at the end of the day, of course, this is all about business and making money for Instagram, because they are in the business of making money, and of course, this is just another way for them to make more money. But of course, it's not all about that, but it's also about helping creators and businesses make money as well on the platform. And this, I think, is just a great, fantastic way for Instagram to be able to help creators and businesses make a ton of money, because with this update, pretty much they're giving creators and businesses a big opportunity to sell a lot of their product on the app because Instagram has a ton of users on the app, and I think this could be popular. Of course, right now people don't like this update right now, but I think just like everything else, we're gonna get used to it. It's gonna be normal for us, and then we're going to it's going to be normal for us to use it after this update. So what do you guys think about the new update that Instagram released, of course, with the iPhone and Android app? Do you guys like that they moved the Reels and the shop or the store button right in the prime location in the bottom tabs right there? Or you don't care and you're just still going to use it? You just have to remember now that, you know, the create button's now in the top right corner and not in the center prime location where you can quickly access that tab. So that's it for now, guys. Now, of course, if you guys did enjoy this type of video, please do subscribe to the channel, because that does help a lot if you guys can go support the channel or like the video. So that's it for now, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.